This is the RE-Team Pro compact excavator from our Red Hawk company with an actual weight of 1,818 kilograms. It is equipped with a Kubota D920 engine and features the following performance characteristics. A single forging cylinder that is not easy to break with a built-in oak seal. Thicker, high-quality steel is used, and a plastic molding process is applied to prevent rust and corrosion. The use of internationally renowned brand reducers ensures smooth operation and high reliability. The 360-degree body rotates freely, and the smart body facilitates outdoor work. We welcome your inquiries and look forward to serving your needs.